Hi you beautiful people out there. If you're new to my channel, I'm Gayatri and I do video on makeup, skincare, lifestyle, fashion and travel also sometimes. So please, as I always say, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updated video from my end. Today we are going to talk about something which is very interesting and you will feel a little shocked. Now when I say shocked, it's because some people get this oh my god kind of reaction. So what the video is all about, it's obviously about face shaving. Yes lovelies, you heard it right, it's about how to shave your face. Now I know we are not guys, we don't get so much of facial hair, but some people do have this facial hair like I do have. Overall growth of hair is more, and if you see a lot of vloggers who do videos especially related to makeup and all that, they go and shave their face. So instead of doing laser, which is very expensive for some people, waxing, which is like a complete no for sensitive kind of a skin, it's always good to shave your face. To burst your myth bubbles, a lot of people think that shaving your face or any part of body will lead to thicker, darker hair. Well, that's a myth. You can go and Google it. I have been shaving my face for 3 years now. I started in Jan 2019 and I'm doing it till date and I don't feel any difference, guys. In fact, it's much better than what it was because I had a lot of peach fuzz. So always get your facts right, and that's why when I say when you're trying anything new, especially for your skin, you should always go research, Google, watch a lot of YouTube videos, and that's why we are always there to help you out with a lot of information out there. Go and learn and then do it. So this is to burst your myth. Now whenever you're trying something new, always have the why factor in your mind. Why you want to do it? Like if you ask me, Gayatri, why you want to shave your face or why you do it, the first thing that comes to my mind is obviously I have a lot of facial hair and a peach fuzz, so I like my face to be clean and nice, so that's why I do it. Secondly, if you are a makeup lover, and when I say makeup lover, if you really put a lot of makeup every day on your face, then my dear friends, you will love to shave your face and you will thank me later. एक बार आप first you're trying your own ways, go shave your face once and then you apply your makeup. It will glide so smoothly. It will be like a perfect canvas for your makeup. That is why if you're like on an everyday basis, if you like wearing makeup, go for it, girls. The third thing is obviously you have a lot of dead skin cells and dead skin. So shaving your face will also help you exfoliate and get rid of those dead skin cells. The fourth thing is your skin will be brighter and glowy. Now when I say brighter, nothing, it's not like a fairness thing, okay? Simple. When you bleach your face, you're actually lightening your facial hair, right? And that's why that golden glow comes on your face. The same way, when you actually shave your face, you are getting rid of the dark hair, obviously, and because of that your skin looks much smoother and brighter. So this is why I shave my face, and you should probably try it too. Let's get started with the list of items that you would require to shave your face. First is you will require a face wash or a facial cleanser. I am going to use a Dermaco one. Then you will require a face toner. I'm using my Kama Ayurveda's rose water. You can use a facial oil. I have put this as an option, but I normally don't use it. So facial oil, plum, which I'm going to use. Very important are your facial razors. Now guys, please do not shave your face with the normal razors that you use for your hand and leg back like razors. They are different, they are meant for different purpose. These are like spatula and these are your facial razors to be used for removing your facial hair. Please make a note of it. Okay, then the next thing is you will require aloe vera gel and your moisturizer at the end with a mirror for a closer look. Very important. Now let's talk in detail about the facial razor. Like I always say, use a good quality razor. These two are my trusted brands, like These two are like from a trusted brands, and I've been using them for a couple of years now. So this one is from Bombay Shaving Company, and you get it on Amazon, on Nykaa, on Flipkart, Myntra, anywhere you will get facial razors, so you really don't have to worry. And they are super cheap also, so you'll get a pack of 3, pack of 5, single, whatever this. Always check for reviews. If you ask me personally, I will recommend you Bombay Shaving Company one or Let's Shave one. Now these are super awesome razors when it comes. So if you see these are completely like a spatula. It has a safety cap which is like it gets locked, so it doesn't come out, so quite safe to do it. And if you see it, it looks like this. So if you want to have a closer look, see, these have got those small cuts into it, like small lines, which gives you a better shave, I would say that. And they are not too very sharp also, so they will not cut your face. But very, very careful, you have to be very careful when you're shaving your face. I will show you how to hold a razor also when I demonstrate it for you guys. If you're shaving your face, you have to be very careful. You don't have to apply pressure, you have to hold it in the right way. You cannot go like this, you have to hold it in a very right way. Feather light pressure use करना है, and अच्छे ब्रांड का रेजर यूज करना है. एक रेजर आप 3 से 4 बार यूज कर लोगे अगर आप फेस शेविंग के लिए, 3, 4, maximum 5 times, then you discard it and you use a fresh one. Please don't use and keep on using it for a couple of times. It's definitely not advised. Now we'll start the process by cleaning our face. Anything makeup कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. So if you are trying to do a facial shave thing, then first go and wash your face with a mild cleanser. I'm using the Dermaco cleanser to clean my face. Pat dry it. उसके बाद में मैं आपको बाकी का प्रोसेस बताती हूँ. फिलहाल इतना करके मैं आपको वापस मिलती हूँ. I'm going to apply aloe vera gel to start with. This will help my razor to glide smoothly. Some people do use different things like facial oils, conditioner or water. Now I'm going to remove the safety cap and hold it in a slant way and just go downwards. Give very light pressure and downward stroke. Downward strokes. I'll just show you on the cotton. Can you see the hair? Get rid of the excess hair on the cotton and then go on the forehead now. Be very careful, gentle around your eyebrows, especially because you don't want any kind of mishap happening. So I'm just getting rid of the excess hair growth that is there on my eyebrows. I normally like to do my eyebrows separately by plucking the excess, just spraying some mist and redoing the process. If you see, I'm just using the tip of the razor over here in a downward slant motion and getting rid of all the excess hair and growth. Again, repeating the same this side. I'm just gonna stretch my face a little for a better access, going slowly downwards again, getting rid of all that peach fuzz. Now coming to your upper lip area, you do the same process that you do for threading. You stretch your upper lip with the help of your tongue, and here I'm going again downward strokes, making sure that I'm getting rid of all small tiny hair. Now I'm coming down to my chin and doing the same thing, getting rid of my extra small fine eyebrow hair. If you see, again I'm using the tip of the razor to get this thing done. I don't have any growth of hair on the bridge of my nose, but just getting rid of the dead skin cells over here. Yay, finally done with the face shave. I have just washed my face and now I'm going to use the Kama Ayurveda's Rose Water Toner. Normally a toner will help you to minimize and tighten the pores. I'm going to moisturize my skin by using my favorite Clinique moisturizer, that is Moisture Surge, and gently massage my face. always remember, when you shave your face, it tends to dry your skin out. So never ever skip your toning and moisturizing post shaving, which will also help to seal those open pores and give you a subtle, dewy and soft looking skin. It's always good to try something new, right? So I'm very sure I've motivated you girls enough to go and try the face shaving experience for the first time. Please mention in the comment below about your entire experience and let me know if you liked it or not. I'm signing off for now, but we'll meet soon. Until then, bye bye, take care, be safe, and love you girls.